ChatGPT has undoubtedly revolutionized interactions, but alongside its capabilities, ethical concerns have surfaced that demand our attention. As we embrace this innovative tool, we must confront the ethical intricacies it poses. Navigating bias. Among the prominent challenges tied to ChatGPT's rise is the issue of bias. While it may seem trivial initially, its implications are profound. Consider subjective queries. When asking about historically pro-war presidents, what influences ChatGPT's responses? Is it purely algorithmic or influenced by OpenAI's inclinations? Even unintentional bias stemming from training and data sources is worrisome. Training models with data skewed towards certain opinions inadvertently perpetuates biases. For instance, if ChatGPT is trained on English data with predominant pro-Western views, it could inadvertently echo biases in its responses. The prospect of a single entity wielding a tool that shapes opinions and imprints biases globally is deeply concerning. As ChatGPT garners trust, its words could become verdicts on issues. This would be a perilous trajectory. While I could find no evidence that suggests OpenAI intentionally introduces AI biases, the concentration of such power to me is a red flag. Replacing human roles. While ChatGPT's utility is evident, its expanding abilities raise some concerns about human job displacement. This AI, adept at aiding in homework, writing articles, and boosting productivity, encroaches on roles traditionally carried out by humans. The creative sector, including music, branding, and content writing, already relies on ChatGPT. How long before employers prefer AI tools, potentially sidelining human workers? OpenAI's report estimates that approximately 80% of US jobs will be affected by AI tools like ChatGPT, with 19% of workers witnessing significant impacts on over half of their daily tasks. As AI evolves, the potential erosion of job security looms larger, with the very tools we develop jeopardizing our livelihoods. Paradox of creativity. AI's surge in creativity may ironically contribute to the decline of creativity across domains. The rise of AI-created content could lead to a monotonous online landscape. When both Mr. A and Mr. B's content is AI-generated, the internet risks becoming inundated with AI content. Moreover, large language models trained on AI-generated text perpetuate this cycle. This loop raises concerns about the future's creative authenticity. Plagiarism and academic integrity. ChatGPT's advent has spurred discussions on the demise of traditional high school essays and challenges the concept of homework. The tool's ease in facilitating cheating poses a substantial threat. Additionally, plagiarism, wherein AI-generated content can be used to profit from others' efforts, jeopardizes the foundation of originality. Charting the path forward. While figures like Elon Musk advocate for temporary AI model development halts, a complete pause isn't pragmatic. Addressing AI's adverse consequences necessitates more than just government regulation. When consumers, who actively use AI tools like ChatGPT, voice their concerns, developers and even governments may be compelled to act. In this evolving AI generation, it's essential to grapple with these ethical concerns, ensuring AI's advancements align with ethical standards and human well-being before it's too late.